Welcome to week 5 class, and I wanted to give you a reminder that at the end of the week you're going to be doing a quiz, the first quiz, and it's going to cover the first 5 chapters that we've gone over 4, and we'll finish up with 5 this week. I wanted to remind you, if you haven't already started to, be sure that you use that study guide that's included in the content for week 1, and it's good to kind of print that out if you haven't already done that, and make sure you cover all of those issues because it's really aligned with the same kind of questions that I'm going to be asking you on the quiz. The format is 60 multiple choice questions, and you will have 120 minutes to complete it. You get one chance to complete it, so make sure you're prepared to take the full test before you sit down. It's timed. You want to make sure you set enough time aside. It is open book and open study guide, but you really want to budget your time for that because you can waste a lot of times looking things up. So try to really study beforehand before you get to taking the quiz, before you engage in it.